Hello and welcome. My name is Human and I'm a music composition PhD student. Ironically, I'm too lazy to write music. So, looking for a solution, I researched ways to make my computer compose music on my behalf. Now, this might sound bizarre at first, but in fact, it has been successfully practiced for decades. Some of the recent developments are Google's Music Transformer and OpenAI's MuseNet. One of the common approaches to automated music generation with computers is to use artificial intelligence models that are good with sequences. They take as input a succession of elements, such as notes of a melody in our case, and they predict the next note. They become capable of making satisfactory predictions by going through a training process using a large dataset of pre-existing melodies and learning the common musical structural patterns. We can train a model on a set of, say, Bach music. After the training, given a sequence of notes as input, the model outputs its best guess at what the next note would have been had Bach written it. We can then append the predicted note to the input sequence and ask the model for another prediction. Continuing this process in a loop, we can generate a melody for any desired length. Music is inherently a sequential entity. A melody is typically presented as an ordered sequence of notes to the model. We can tell our model, here is an E, a D, a C, another E, and an F sharp in succession. Give us a good choice for the next note based on your training, and it will predict, say, a G. Now, I had an idea to improve this process. Instead of representing music as a sequence of notes, we can represent it as a sequence of intervals. And this time we tell our model something like, the melody moved a step up, another step up, 2.5 steps down, and half a step up. Tell us how much it should move in which direction next, so we get a melody that fits the style you were trained on. This improves the process by making the training data smaller, and smaller data means faster training. Voila! Me being a lazy composer aside, these tools can have practical uses too. They can help composers overcome the artist block, or help with smooth transitions between different ideas in a single piece of music, etc. In short, they are not meant to replace human composers, but to facilitate the process of music writing for humans. Lastly, if you're interested in listening to some music generated by my program in the styles of classical and Baroque, scan the QR code on the slide. Thank you.